tornado on the ground up here, right in front of me, right behind these trees. There it is. That is what I came out here to do, people, right there. That is massive.
Including the following areas in Iowa: Fremont, Harrison, Wills, Winona, Montgomery, Page, Potawatomi, and Shelby. In Nebraska: Fort Butler, Cass, Colfax, Cumming, Dodge, Douglas, Nemaha, Ordo, Platte, Sarpy, Saunders, Thurston, and Washington.
Dissipate now. Massive cloud there still, and maybe it's that's just weird. Looks like it's still trying.